Maker Max here. Found this big propane tank out in the woods. Let's turn it into a chiminea, which is a type of fire pit. So welded a nail here, then I can pull a string down each side and make each side exactly the same. By the way, whenever you work with a propane tank, you want to make sure you remove the valve and then fill the whole thing full of water. Because if it's full of water, that means there's no propane in it. And then dump it out. Now we can cut it with the plasma torch. These saw blades to be legs, so I need to weld them together like that. First, we gotta clean all the rust off them. It's really cool gear. Came off an old hay machine, horse-drawn. So this is going to be the bottom flange, like a rocket. Let's clean it up so we can weld it. Alright, we have it just balanced on there. Use the high-tech method of just eyeballing it with a couple level. Let's get it welded on there. Alright, so I'm taking these, which are supposed to be my fins, and I'm going to use this as a template, and we're just adding a curve. So alright, so we're going to put these saw blade fins that I made all around here. Goal is to mount this here to be a chimney. That's going to get the smoke higher. I got this old cassette off a bicycle. It's got all kinds of holes in it, so that'll go up there. And then I got 3 of these off my ATV, and a friend gave me some. So they're going to go on here, here, and here, and have like 3 of these sticking up. I got to make the holes in them bigger. They don't fit on the pipe though. So step 1, let's cut off the top of this flange. So I need to make the hole in this a little bit bigger, so it fits over my chimney thing. So I made this little jig. Yeah, this is plastic, but we'll see how it holds up. Alright, so we made 4 of these. They fit on here. Alright, here's my bicycle cassette, all welded up. That one actually goes in the front, and this part goes in the back, and we're going to set that up there. gonna paint this with barbecue black paint, but you gotta get the old paint off first, so using a flap disc. Thanks for joining me on the creation of this chiminea made from salvaged parts. I would be honored if you subscribed and left a comment below. I'm Maker Max, and I hope I inspired you to go make stuff.